the game?
What I think about the game?
A few words about the game.
A few words about the game.
What's made it difficult?
Yeah, I think it was a difficult game. They started good. We started a little bit chaotic. I don't know if you say it like this. But we knew if we keep running, we will take them in the second half. And we did. It was a difficult game. I think they played good. But we keep the system and we keep what we have spoken about. And on the end, it paid off. And I'm really happy with this point. It was a tough fight, but it's always tough to play here. But I'm really happy that we win this game.
What's your goal this season?
Our role, my role, I always want to win. If I play the games, I want to win, and let's see if we can make this happen. It's going to be tough. I think the league this year is really tough. If you see all the teams in the league in Romania, I think at the moment one of the best in Europe. I think so. It's going to be tough, but we train hard, and let's see if we can get the trophy. If you don't believe, then I don't think it will happen, and I believe. So let's see if it's realistic to take this prize.
Our fans think the result of the last round, the last championship between you and Cisnădiė was not you didn't defend correct your chances. What is your message for them?
Yeah, I saw in the beginning I didn't understand the papers they make. I think it's pretty sad that they think like this. If I play a game, I play for win. And that game we didn't have the best game. So we play even. It's nothing about hand or this. I would feel terrible if I would be in a club that say we do like this. This is for the girls, not an option at all. So I hope they think twice that sport is sport, and we all play to win. We don't go in a game to play even or to lose a game. This is totally bullshit, and I hope that they don't think like this because we are not playing this kind of handball. So I'm sorry if they think so, but I want to say to them that it really was not the case. We didn't have a good day, and it was in the end of the season. So I'm sorry for Tagajou that they think this way, but we didn't do it. No.